All right, so behind me we've got a brand new Gladiator. It's getting a rough country leveling kit on there to make some clearance for some bigger tires on it. Before there was obviously the blue wrap. Tyler, you gotta come with me. We got something for Nate. He's going to freaking love it. Oh, Nate! What? Got you a present. It might be.
What is that?
Tell me.
Custom ink. Probably got me some stupid shirt or something like that. No way.
Avocado. Thanks.
No way. When did you make this?
Probably about a week ago.
Holy crap. So are we starting back up the YouTube channel?
Yep.
Turn around. Look at that. So for the last few months, I haven't been doing my hot sauce reviews. If anybody knows, my channel's World's Okayest Employee, and I try like all these hot sauces. Bottoms up, bitch. I swear I don't have the Rona. It's just, this is how hot it is. Hot. I've tried hundreds and hundreds of them, and I haven't been making videos, and we've been talking about it for some time. And I guess this is a kick in the ass that I need to start, so.
Hashtag merch plug.
Hashtag merch. Thanks, Marty. All right. Well, hell yeah, let's do it.
Yep.
I think you guys forgot one small detail.
What?
If you eat hot sauce, and that's a white shirt.
Ooh.
Oh,
we didn't think about that.
Damn.
I guess don't spill.
God damn it.
All right, so we've got another Gladiator in the shop right over here, doing the same thing that we did on the one earlier, except this time we're throwing a set of Weld off-road cinches on there. So first set that we've done of these, it should look pretty good.
All right, so this morning, right here, we got a 17 JK in the shop. It looks like they had some spacers and stuff on the old springs. What we're doing now is a full 4-inch zone off-road kit with BDS shocks.
New tumblers, fancy ones this time. We got these guys, Busch Light ones, a little bit of the Busch Lattes. What else did we get? Looks like, I don't even know what we ordered. Just throwing shit everywhere. Oh, this is sweet. Got a DeWalt one. That's pretty fucking sweet. What else did we get? This is like Christmas because I don't even know what we ordered. Looks like we got Goof Off one. This is freaking awesome. Now I will say not all of these are available, if I remember correctly. I think some of these are custom ordered for a couple customers of ours. So they may not be available. I'll have to look here in a bit. Yeah, definitely. Some of these are definitely not available. We got Mobile Lube. That's pretty sweet. This one I'm pretty excited about. I can already tell. Milwaukee. That's a good looking tumbler. Good looking tumbler. And so these are good quality tumblers as well. And so we got a bunch of these. We still got a ton of these guys left over too. But no, these are the exciting ones because I'm pretty sure these are all for our own stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much all of them. The rest are all Busch Light and some inventory ones, but yeah, these are pretty awesome. I think we've got them here. What are they? $49.95. So, like I said, they are high quality tumblers. Very good stuff done by a gal in South Carolina, if I remember correctly. So, we've been ordering from her for a while and no complaints. They're like top notch stuff. So, pretty decent. Pumped. Ready to get these on the shelves. Hey, if you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much from everyone here for continuing to watch these videos and to support us on all aspects of our social media. We wanted to ask you guys to take a couple minutes and give us some advice, critiques, praise, maybe even if you like what we're seeing. But we want some advice on where to take this stuff, what more you guys want to see, if there's anything you want us to change or anything to kind of help make these videos a little bit better. We're working on the quality and everything. We're investing on some new equipment, investing on some new cool stuff here so that we can make a little bit better videos and everything. But other than that, we just want to thank you guys. So like I said, if you got some time, give us some advice, give us some critique, drop a comment below. Make sure you have subscribe and notifications on, like our Facebook page and those kind of things. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. We'll see you next week.